Eochairfhocail, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Stadeolaíocht Eochairfhocail Ordleville. Questionnaire, questions. Anamnig, name. An Dawn, the poem. An Tauron, the song. Ke Achum, who composed. Kade, what is. Tema an Dawn, theme of the poem. Cunnus, how. A laerator, is made clear. Den Crucius describe. Eva a hanin lat, an image you enjoy. Cain fa, why. Cain mahukan, what emotion. Avu slater, is awoken. Riname Stadeolaíocht I have studied. Chum Marcus MacUngle. Marcus MacUngle composed. Tema an Dawn, theme of the poem. Go Willamede, that we are. Gaffel le, addicted to. Man ho shilta, social media. Kylan an Filla, bus. The poet misses a bus. Mar, because. Tashe, he is. Eg uside appa, using an app. Ergohan, on a phone. Ismafer Esha, this is a metaphor. Dun sail nua aimshara, for modern life. Ivo den illa, an image of the poet. Eg Kyla bus, missing a bus. Tahanian y lum, I enjoy y. Rurk fear ama, a real-time image. Den chamani, of the driver. Eg fakentorum, looking at me. Eg chamant an bus, driving the bus. Harbroid, past. Lerian she, it makes clear. Musclean an dawn grown onum. The poem awakens humour in me. Tasha groundver, it is humorous or it is funny. Newer, when. Neil skillna socialta age, he doesn't have social skills. Neil she abalta, he is not able to. Cummersod ayin of le, to communicate with. Chamani bus, a bus driver. Slán